Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing squishies that are not worth it. Let's get started. My first squishy I don't think is worth it is this box of French fries. I don't think it's worth it. It's because it gets defects a lot and the paint comes off very easy. And it's not squishy. My next squishy I don't think is worth it is this slice of cake. The reason why I don't think this is worth it, it gets a lot of defects really fast and the keychains come out really easy. And the frosting fell off up here and over here. That's why I think that's not worth it. My next squishy I don't think is worth it is this donut. I don't think this is worth it because this is a very hard squishy and the frosting just peels off by itself. My last squishy I don't think is worth it is this unicorn. I don't think this is worth it. It's because it came in the mail with a bunch of defects and then it got more defects as when I started playing with it, and it has a bunch of air bubbles and the hoofs, and it's dirty too, and it's not so rising for the price. It was $6. I thought it was going to be an okay price, but well, it was a cheap price for a squishy, so I knew I was going to get scammed, but you can hear like the foam rising. So that was the last squishy I thought was not worth it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below any more videos you want me to make. Bye!